Okay, y'all, I am in Target. I had to come in here real quick to see what I can find. Hopefully I can find a microwave. We don't have a microwave. And I'm like, how are you here? Way out here, don't have a microwave. In my shared house. What my shared house I'm in. Hold on, y'all. I'm talking about the shared house I'm in. They don't have no microwave. And your girl love to cook, but guess what? I don't want to have to cook every meal. Every meal, not doing it. So I'm gonna look for a microwave, and I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Oh, they got these right here. Let's make something yummy. Mini Dunker waffle maker. Oh, these are waffle makers. 50% off, y'all. Better come get you one. Y'all, I'm hot with this hat on. I'm gonna take this hat off. I burn up. Whew, hold on. Let's see if I can find it on my own. Let me turn y'all around. Wait, hold on. Okay, let's see. It should be somewhere around here. I'm hoping. We got 20% off. Oh no, we're going too far. Maybe it's over here in this section. Let's see. Oh, these are cute. It's a whole set. These are cute. I like these too. These are cute. Oh, they got the knives. Look at these. These are cute. I'm gonna have to do me a wish list from here. Look, let's see. Why did I pass them? Let's see. These are grills. I'm trying to see if I can find it myself. I might have to ask somebody. Hello. Looking for the microwaves. I didn't want to bug nobody. Is it in this area? Microwaves?
You check over here.
Okay, other side? Okay. Blenders. I need me a Ninja. Okay. Let's see. He said it probably... Oh, right over here. Thank you. Let's see let's see if I can get one today. I need one now. Oh my gosh, y'all. They ain't got no microwaves. The cheaper, they had one for $69. I seen that one online. They don't got no more. Oh my goodness, $89. Oh, I came all the way over here for them not to have microwaves. They got this one, a Panasonic. I can't get that right now. I can't get that. I'm gonna have to come back. Maybe if I'm gonna have to go online. I'm gonna have to go online because that's what it's looking like. They don't have no microwaves. I can't believe this. They got these. Oh, in my feelings, in my feelings, in my feelings. They got toaster ovens. They got the air fryer. I need one of them. I ain't got no microwave. All right, I'll be back, y'all. Let's see, they got these. They got one on sale. $99.99 espresso. Let's see, they got a Starbucks starter kit. I'm gonna have to wait because it looks like none is in my budget. Oh, they got a little tea. Oh, they like these. These are cute. That's cute. I like that. I cannot believe I don't got no microwaves. This is not right. Mr. Coffee. These are purifiers. Let's see. I cannot believe. All right. I'm going to have to go to my best friend Walmart. I know they got it. Oh, wait. Are these microwaves? Kenmore. How much are they? Yeah, I probably found me a microwave. Let's see. Hold on. Hold that thought. Let's see. I need a microwave ASAP. Let's see. Let's get a price for it. Thank you so much. Let's see. Please be in my budget. Please be in my budget. Please be in my budget. Was it real big? It don't look big, is it? 0.9. So I don't think that's too big. I'm sorry? 80? Oh my goodness. Are you? I'm trying not to go no higher than 60. Alrighty. I want to get a set. This one is cute. It's diamond enhanced. Ceramic non-stick. Only thing is they don't have tops. That's the only thing. But they are on sale for $47. They was $59. That's a good deal. They also have it in what? Cream? What is that? Black with the cream in the middle, pink, and this green color. They all are $47, so you're saving $12. They got also a green. Is that green? No, I thought that was green. That's the same one as that one. This one have a top, right? Nope. Yeah, it does. Okay, so this one have a top, but baby, we're not trying to spend that much. Okay, so let's see. This one's 43. Oh, you could do some good chicken in that one. I like that. That's cute. 43. It's on sale. This one's 31. They just don't have tops. That's my only issue with these. They don't have tops. Oh, yeah, they got the wok. Oh, my goodness. They have the wok. I need this. That one's 44. That's the only size. And then this one have one. They're 29. That's 20. Well, I'm not sure because one says 29. The other one says 22. I'm not sure. But that's cute as well. These are cheaper. They're 24. They got the pink, the blue, and the gray. Yeah, I need a whole set. Like this red one right here. It got everything. Got the tops. Only thing it don't have is the square one. Okay, but this one do. And it's $99. It got the square and the pan. I like that. That's cute. And it's $99. Is this one $80? This is another good one right here. All right, y'all. Let's see. They got some more pans, bowls. I gotta go. Oh, here's the pot I want for my seafood boil. Look at that one. Okay, y'all. They don't have what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna just have to go online and see if I can order this. Hopefully I can get it delivered by the weekend. We are already on Friday, so hopefully I can get it delivered by Sunday. I'm gonna see. Excuse me. I'm gonna see if I can get that done. All right, y'all. I gotta call me up Uber. Talk to y'all later. Okay, y'all. So I'm about to make some omelets. Good morning, afternoon, wherever time it is where you at. Already got me some coffee over here. I have to probably start me another cup because, baby, I'm trying to wake up. I just do that. Dang. I just did that. Hold up, y'all. Y'all didn't see that. Y'all didn't see I just made some coffee all over me, okay? Hopefully y'all can hear me, okay? Hold on. Okay, y'all. It's probably noon where you at. It's probably still morning where you at. It's 2:04 and I'm about to make me some omelets. I say good morning to y'all. Welcome to the vlog. Okay, so you're about to get it in. I stopped it. I don't know why. Oh, I don't know why. Oh, I can't use it. Let's see if I can use this side. Let's see if we can use this side. Okay, this side look okay. We're gonna do away with you, baby. I do. How to cook these onions so they go bad. Shoot. Stay for my steps. She's so messy. Hopefully y'all having a good day. Hopefully. Baby, this is too much. Alright, let's first get this chopped up. This girl is wrong with her. What is she screaming for? She better come up here. I'm not going all the way down here. No, lost her mind, okay? Let's scream. I'm trying to get this omelet going, okay? She better go up them stairs. Oh my goodness, I don't know why do I sound stopped up. Welcome to mom life. Got everything else in it, okay? Alright, so I got that part done. Let's go ahead and get this on the stove. Hopefully y'all can see. I can see a little bit, but let's get these bell peppers sauteed. That onion sauteed. It's too big to pick the whole thing, y'all. That's what I'm gonna do. Pick the whole thing. Alright. Go ahead and get these mixed up. It's the eggs. Y'all, I gotta get me a ring light. I have to. Shoot. Ring light and clean this kitchen. I gotta get bell pepper in there, did I? Nope. So this is what I put in there. I put some seasoned salt, put some garlic, this rotisserie chicken, onion powder. I'm about to put it in now. It's a pepper. I have a pepper here. A little salt. Let it sauteed. Hey y'all, so this is I made me some brunch. I got me an omelet and I have a sausage pancake. I really don't eat them, but I want it today, so this is what we're gonna have. And I wanted to talk to y'all. You gotta break it down, please. Can you break it down some, please? Okay, I'm gonna come and talk to y'all. Hold on, y'all, hold on. Okay, yeah. So I want to come and talk to y'all about my job. Your girl have a job. I don't know if y'all watch my other videos, but your girl just started working at Goodwill. It was a blessing because when I got out here, I was like, what are we gonna do? You know? So hey, it's side voice. So yeah.
But you are distracting me, Mom.
Y'all, kids, mom life. But go ahead and listen to the story anyway. So so I was like, what we gonna do? We got out here in November. Like the beginning of November. We got out in November. I don't know if y'all been watching me and following us or whatever. So got out here in November. And I'm like, shoot, I gotta find me a job because your girl gotta get her place. You know, I was staying with my best friends. And I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and I'll start applying for all these jobs. I did that. Goodwill called me. I started that the next 2 days. Within the 2 days, I had started work. It was good. I'm like, you know what? Christmas is right around the corner. What am I going to do? You know what I'm saying? I'm like, oh my goodness. Lord, please bless us to have a good Christmas and all that. So, now fast forward, we are here and God has, he has moved miracles. He has moved, okay? We got blessed to, be in a place. On top of that, your girl get to cook, okay? Y'all know I love to cook, okay? Hope I ain't looking too crazy, but the lighting is kind of crazy in here, so please don't mind that, all right? But I'm working on getting the ring light. It's just that I need everything, and God, He's making it a way for me to just, I'm trying to stress about it, because He's like, you know what? I got you. I got the job, got the place, and so now, now back to the job. I'm not making what I want to make, but at the end of the day, it's a job and it's going to get us, it's baby steps, right? I need furniture. I need everything. I'm not going to stress about it. There's other things behind the scene that it's like, you know what? I don't think I can do it. But at the end of the day, God is like, yes, you can. You can do this. You got this. You've been doing it, right? So your girl been working. She's been working every day. I did have the weekends off, but now with the holidays, I do have to work on the weekend. So today is Saturday, so I have today's Saturdays off. We'll have this Saturday off, but the holidays are here. So hey, I'm like, shoot, if we was open, I'll work on the holiday too. You know what I'm saying? Money don't stop. Period. Anyways, I'm gonna have to make this probably part 2 on how much bring it in and all that good stuff. Your girl, she's still small, but she's growing. Thanks to y'all. Thank you. We love y'all. Yeah. And another good thing, hold on, y'all. I was trying to do this video while eating, but your girl have to eat. She have to eat. Anyway, but yeah, I just wanted to, come on here and let y'all know your girl is working. She's a working mom, okay? And in due time, things are gonna work out in my favor, on everything that I want to have. I told myself I don't want to stay in an apartment. I ain't trying to be bougie or nothing like that, but the way things are out here, I don't want to be in nobody's apartment because it snows, we have blizzards, and maintenance ain't doing what they want to, what they supposed to do. So I just told myself, if I get my own place, I can figure out some things myself. I got a little maintenance behind my belt, got a little housekeeping behind my belt, so that's just what it is.
No, it's dangerous.
On top of that, the prices here are amazing for living wise, amazing. It's just that I don't think too many people I can't even talk, y'all. I don't think too many people too much care about the snow, because it's here. It be here for months. Like, we are in December. They're saying it's gonna be here until March. I'm like, wait, what? March? Oh my goodness. Anyways, but I don't want to be all over the place on this video, but I did want to come on here. I can't give y'all no numbers right now because I'm just starting. But your girl, she got a job, okay? And you know what? And it's not hard. That's the part that people try to make it like it's so hard to get a job. It's not hard to get a job. It's what you are willing to sacrifice and take and get paid, right? Because you have them high end jobs making 30 plus an hour, but then you got to deal with that stress, right? So it's like, I was just talking to the Uber driver the other day, actually yesterday morning, and he was telling me, like, you can really make money being an Uber driver, but it's still like how you pick your routes, right? Who you trying to go pick up, how far, your mileage, your gas, and all that. And I'm just like, you know what? Having a little rinky-dink job ain't nothing. You know what I'm saying? We all got to start from the bottom, work our way right on to the top. Okay? That hurt. I poked myself with the fork. But anyway, so I was just calling, come on here and make some sense, okay? But at the end of the day, it's what you choose to do. We got so many careers out there, but it's what you're willing to do and what you're willing to sacrifice and put up with to make them coins at the end of the day. But yeah, I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all though. I'm gonna try to go in more detail about my job and all that good stuff. So I'll be back. So good.